Hi all. So today we will be solving today's Leetcode problem, which is 693 binary number with alternate bits. So we have to check whether it has alternate bits or not. So what does that mean? If two adjacent bits will always have different values. So if you think the number given as 5, the binary representation of 5 is 101. And if you see, all the bits are alternate, right? First 1, then 0, then 1, like that. So what we will try to do here is we will first try to extract the last bit from the number, right? How can we get the last bit? So if I do it like this, right? So any number, if I get any binary representation and if I do a AND with 001 suppose, so I will get the last bit, right? If it is 1, it will return 1, otherwise it will return 0. Now I will right shift the number. So what does that mean? If my number given is 101, I will just right shift it so that my number becomes 10 because I already have the last bit. So I'm just shifting this number to right. So and then like till I have some value in n, this will go on. Now let's extract the last bit again from 10. In the similar manner, we'll do and 1, right? And if my last bit is equals to my previous bit, then I know that this is not alternate and I can return false from here, right? If not, then we will assign the previous bit to the last bit we just extracted and we'll again right shift the number, right? And if it satisfies all the values, then return true from here. So it's a easy problem. Just to check the alternate bits, we just have to remember two things. How to right shift the number and how to extract the last bit. Let's submit and see. Yeah, so this is good. We have bit 100% on the runtime side. Cool. See you in the next video.